Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady, and I am here with my wonderful co-host, Jules.
Hello, everyone. Today we are looking at two very small words that share a theme of talking about amounts and quantities.
That sounds useful. What are the two mystery words for today's lesson?
Today we're talking about some and any. Learners confuse them all the time because they both talk about an undefined amount of something.
Let's break down the first word, S-O-M-E, sum. This is a determiner, and we use it when we have a positive amount, but we do not know the exact number.
Exactly right. A simple rule of thumb from me, if your sentence is positive and you are saying yes to having a thing, use some.
Let's imagine an everyday scenario. You're cooking dinner for a big date, and you're making your famous pasta sauce.
You look in the pot, and it looks a little bit plain. You realize you need extra flavor before your date arrives in 10 minutes.
You open the fridge hoping for a miracle, and you see tomatoes. You might say, "Great, I have some tomatoes to add to the sauce."
That saves the day. But now we need our second word, A-N-Y, any.
Any is also a determiner, but we use it for negative sentences or questions when we are not sure if a thing is there at all.
Back to our pasta sauce emergency. You chop the tomatoes, but now you want a little bit of spicy flavor.
You look in your spice cabinet, but it is completely empty. It's a disaster.
Right, so you might shout, "Oh no, I do not have any pepper for my sauce."
It's a stressful kitchen moment, but here's the common mistake learners make. They try to use the positive word in a negative sentence.
Yes, they will write, "I do not have some pepper." That is incorrect.
Let's fix that side by side. If you have the thing, it's "I have some tomatoes." If you do not have the thing, it's "I do not have any pepper."
I have the best memory trick for this. Look at the word A-N-Y. It starts with an A. Think of it as asking a question or saying absolutely not.
Wow, I love that. And S-O-M-E starts with an S. Think of saying sure because it's a positive sentence.
Now it's time for your homework. We want to practice.
Write 2 sentences in the comments below about your own kitchen. Tell us about food you have some of and a food you do not have any of.
You are all making such great progress with your grammar. Keep up the amazing work.
Remember to keep practicing, and we hope you catch some of our next videos.
We do not have any doubt that you will. See you next time on Mady English Practice.